Pyramids and cones. Cones, once again, this should be review. Okay, first of all, you know that we have a prism. So, does anybody remember what this would be called over here?
A hexagonal.
A what?
Pentagonal prism.
Pentagonal prism, because it's a pentagon. That's our basis. Now, we're going to be looking at pyramids. Now, if you notice here, they have the same height, they have congruent bases, but they don't have the same volume, because when you think about all the stuff you could fit in, you could fit more stuff in this prism than you could in this pyramid. So now we're going to learn about the relationship between the two. And like I said, this should already be review. So when I think about that, does anybody remember what the relationship between a pyramid is?
No.
And the volume of the
Isn't it the area of the base times the height?
times?
1/2?
Close, not 1/2.
Right about that.
Nope,
And isn't it
close.
Is it the apothem?
1/3. It's 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So you're going to be doing the exact same thing you did yesterday, except for now you're taking your final answer times 1/3. So if I look at this, it says find the volume of a regular hexagonal pyramid with a height of 8 centimeters. Each side of its base is 6 centimeters. Okay. So now, 1/3 area of the base times the height. So we got to do the area of the base. So I got to find the area of a hexagon here. And all of these are 6. So now to find the area of this, the best way to do this is to break it into sectors, triangles. So let's do that right here, right there. So if I break this into 6 triangles, how much does the middle, what would be my angle here? 60. So really by breaking it into triangles, I've got 6 here. What do I know about these two sides?
They're the same.
They're the same, and they are 6 as well. Yep. So then now, I need to find the area of that triangle. So to find the area of that triangle, I need to find the height right here. So what type of triangle is it? I've already heard you say 30, 60, 90 triangle. And so up here at the top, I have a 30 degrees, 6 here, 3 here. What's the height here have to be? 3 root 3. So now, the area of one triangle, will be 6 times 3 root 3 divided by 2. Now, 6 is the base, 3 root 3 is the height, divided by 2. That's the area of one triangle. How many triangles do I have? 6. So I'm going to take that times 6.
Why do you divide it by 2?
Because that's the area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2.
But that's half a triangle.
It's not half a triangle, because here's your height right here, here's your base right here.
3 root 3 is the height, sir.
Yeah,
Right.
3 root 3 is the height right here.
Oh, and then
Okay,
6.
so then you're taking it times 6. So if I cancel out the 1 and 3 there, I'm left with 6 times 3 times 3, which is how much?
54.
54 root 3. And that is the area of the base. Now, to find the volume, I'm going to take the area of the base. So the volume equals, oops, let's use orange. The volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times what?
6.
Times what? 8. Good. So then now let's try and cancel something out. Does 3 go into either 54 or 8? Yeah. 3 goes into 54 how many times?
18.
18. So I've got 18 times 8, which is 144 root 3. Label will be centimeters cubed. Okay. So the hardest part's going to be finding the area of the base. Let's look at another one. A cone has a base radius of 3 inches and a volume of 24 pi inches cubed. Find the height. So let's first of all find the area of the base. So the area of the base is going to be pi times what squared?
3 squared.
3 squared. So the area of the base is
9 pi.
9 pi. We're about done. Hold on. So the volume will equal 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So let's plug in what we know. What do we know the volume is? 24 pi equals 1/3. What's the area of the base? Did we just find? 9 pi times the height. So let's go ahead and cancel out. I see I've got a pi on each side, so they're gone. So I have 24 equals, what's 1/3 of 9? 3. So I have 3 times h. So what is height going to be?
8.
8 inches, as some of you already said. But we've just proven that it's got to be 8 inches. Okay. So far, so good? All right, what you need to do for me, you've got 1 through 10. Now, plan is that we're probably going to have a quiz tomorrow-ish. Quiz-ish tomorrow. Okay? So anyway, probably a worksheet as well.